In this video, I'll show you how to add text in CapCut. Once your video is on the timeline, go to the top and click the Text tab. Then choose Add Text, click and drag the default text directly onto the timeline. Place it above your video clip. You'll now see the text appear in the preview window. Now type in whatever you want, like a title, label, or caption. You can change the font, color, size, position, or even add a background or border. To move it on screen, just drag the text directly in the preview window. You can also extend or shorten the text duration by dragging the edge of the text layer in the timeline. And that's how you add text in CapCut. If this was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.